guys, today we're gonna see what's inside a stress ball. So let's go. First, we need to put a card in there. Sack. I cut. Okay. Kind of see there. Kind of see it. Just kind of see it like there. Guys, so I think this. I never knew this was inside of this. This white stuff. And what do you use this white stuff? I don't know. I'm gonna try doing this thing where I spin it, kind of like the was wrong spot. I'm gonna put this stuff on there. I'm gonna do it where I kind of spin it like this. Back up the camera a little bit. Kind of like this. Till pops. We'll turn the light. You kind of see it. Like that. Do it till it explodes. Well, I have no idea what's gonna happen. Again, I never done this ever. Oops, why does that always happen? It always happens. Make sure to subscribe. What's it? Oh, what the heck? You just turn to this. It's kind of sticky. Kind of see it, I think, more. I think you're able to see it more. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna explode. I'm scared. I don't know what it's gonna do. I've never done this before, so. Ew. What the heck is this stuff? Oh, it must have been. Oh, it turned to this stuff, but bigger. Oh, that must be from all the whiteness. I see. That's kind of weird. Never seen this stuff before. Hopefully it doesn't make me dead. Let me try it. I am not gonna try it. I'm gonna die if I try it. I did. I was gonna end the video, but it's a baby! Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a baby. It's a boy. Let the camera focus a little bit. It's a boy, guys. It's a boy. Look it. Kill. I don't kill. Oh my gosh. This stuff is so sticky. Okay, I'm just gonna put something stress balls right here. I'm just gonna put something so I'm just gonna do that, and then that just sticking like that. But if I just put it on just a little bit, because a bad example, I just put it on. Look how sticky that is. It doesn't look that sticky, but I let it focus a little bit. Sticky, but it actually is pretty sticky. That must be what they do using the stress. Well, it is they use this stress ball. Other stress balls, they use powder and stuff, but I'm using this stress ball. Hope you guys enjoyed that video about opening a stress ball. Stuff is very sticky. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.